Sorry. 2017 4th of July fireworks. Not too many this year, but show you what we got. First half, we got some little display shells. Then we got a magical barrage. And then here another magical barrage. Got some poppets, and then some of those spinny thingies, if you know what I'm talking about. Some flying bees. Well, bees fly, but, well, oh yeah. Stand firm. And a gold stars barrage. A light magic. A closer look, like this octagon shaped one for some reason. A orange float. A wild. Up here we have some Piccolo Pete's, Rain Dance, Pyro Fan. Yeah, the shells up here. You can see. You have a Neon Force and a Unglued. I don't even remember what this one is. There's a fountain, it might be, I'm pretty sure it is. And, oh yeah, I forgot about some of these sparklers. I'll put these right there. Oh, and I forgot more that I forgot to put on there. Some Purple Rains, 3 of them. I'll just put them up here, just like that. Then finally, the big dog. This guy. The Land Liberty. And if you want to know how big this is, view. Actually, that's not a good view. That's a bad view. Let's put it here. Maybe the box on some, but here we go. Here's a good view. The Land Liberty. Compared to the other ones. Look at this is my hand. Right here. So it's a pretty big one. And it's pretty rounded. Yeah, it's pretty size. Just compare it to, let's compare it to Purple Rain. Yes, very big firework. And here, I'm gonna put this back in its belonging spot. Back there, be the finale. Again, firework collection, awesomeness, and. We'll probably be filming 4th of July when we do watch our fireworks, and then we might go to middle school. So, yes, this would be awesome.